Alright, good morning class. This is going to be the fastest video lecture of your lives. So, what we have learned previously is that work equals the change in kinetic energy, 1/2 mv squared. The more speed I get, the more work I did to make it go that fast. We also learned that work equals the change in potential energy. The higher I lift something, the more work I did to do it. mgh equals potential energy, which can also equal how much work I do. So you might be asking yourself, shouldn't then the change in kinetic energy be equal to the change in potential energy? And the answer is, of course, yes. This concept is called mechanical energy, or total energy. And the idea is this. If you take the kinetic energy at any point, and you add it to the potential energy at that point, you get the total energy of the thing. That's called the mechanical energy. And here's the cool thing. That number never changes. Which means that as I go down a hill on my bike, my height goes down, which means my potential energy goes down. But my total energy has to stay the same, which means my kinetic energy goes up, my speed goes up. See? Simple. So if I have 10 joules of potential energy and 0 joules of kinetic energy at the top of the hill on my bike, at the bottom of the hill, I'll have 0 joules of potential energy. So I'll have 10 of kinetic. But in the middle, I'll have 5 and 5. And then a little below that, I'll have 4 and 6. And then 3 and 7. And so on. No matter what happens, potential energy plus kinetic energy will equal 10. Or whatever it is for that problem. The actual number of mechanical energy will be different for each problem. But within that problem, it never changes. So, if you know the mechanical energy and the height, you can find the potential energy, you can find the kinetic energy, you can find the speed. And that's it. Now please do the page 72 example problems. Students who already did these problems, it is your job to help your group. If everyone in your group's already finished, then it is your job to go find a group who is not finished and help them. Alright? I will see you all Thursday or Friday.